good morning.
I'm excited for today.
We're excited to ride a driverless taxi. We're gonna try how it works.
A minute.
2 minutes.
Yun na.
Ha?
Yun. Puti. Puti ba?
Two minutes in waiting. 1 minute na lang pala.
Ayan, ayan.
Eto, tingnan natin.
Tingnan mo yung may initial. Initial.
Tingnan natin.
Mag-show yung initial lang sila. Ito nga.
Tingnan natin. Where's the initial?
Ay, sa atin nakaharap.
Ha?
Because you guys are in a way of it. Baka
Ayan,
hindi
ayan.
na may-
Ayan.
Don't go in front of it. You know, it's thinking it's gonna hit. Just wait. Yeah, now go. Stop light.
Ayan oh. May pangalan ko.
Unlock the car phone. Unlock the car from your phone. Yun, unlock.
Yes! Gusto ng anak ko sa harapan, kaya sa harapan siya. Buksan mo. Yes!
Hi, Romeo.
Hello!
Hi.
Start side pa. Ready na kayo?
Oh, kailangan nating mag ano muna. Seat belt. Seat belt. Hindi siya tatakbo ng walang
Seatbelt.
seat belt. Oh.
It's in the middle of the street. You know why ganito yung parking niya pa? Because you went in front of it.
Hello, we're ready.
Start right pa.
Hello from Waymo. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with steering wheel or pedals during your ride, we may use interior cameras, check on riders, improve our product, and more. But our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out. We can't hear you. You can also use the app or passenger screen to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car unless there's an urgent need to exit. Rider support will connect with you and provide assistance. Finally, relax and thank you for riding with us.
So nice.
Arrival is 9:39.
Okay lang.
Hindi pa tayo na
Galing.
napagbigyan din yung dalawa. They can't sleep without riding in no driver.
Wow.
Galing ko
No
nagsesenyas.
driver.
No driver. Kita mo. Yes. Ang galing.
Kitang-kita oh, stoplight.
Ha?
Kaya,
Nasaan ang camera niya?
Hmm,
Yung
you know.
dyan sa harapan?
oh, sabi daw like stoplight. You know.
Jaguar pa, Jaguar.
Ang galing. Si mama kunwari hindi excited. Excited din.
I'm excited for you too.
Excited din si mama.
May lisensya ba ito?
May lisensya ka ba mag-drive?
Hindi, we cannot hear you, sabi ko.
Kaya nga. Ano lang.
Kasi yung cameras, baka sabi
Nasaan
daw
ang
may camera.
sa loob?
Sabi may camera eh. Yun no. Oo. Ang galing ah. In the lane.
Galing. Wow.
Tingnan tayo ng mga church dadating tayo naka way mo.
Nakala ko sabi ni Papa lalakad pa tayo.
Konti lang.
Oh, yan oh. May church din pala dito, kaso
Iba.
scientist.
Ay, Scientology yan.
Oo, Scientology.
Fifth Church of Christ Scientist.
Galing naman ang driver natin.
You know, mag-change lane.
Galing ano? Sa palagay mo, mas magaling yan sa Tesla?
Yeah, this one's fully automatic. You don't need that now. Tesla, you're required to keep watch.
One way na.
1-0.
Mas magaling yan sa ano?
You know, nakita yan ang yellow.
Galing ano? Ako na yung nagtataka, paano kaya siya nagpe-preno o kaya nag-go?
You felt it. Pa, you felt it nag-brake.
Motorized?
You felt the brake pa. Fully electric pala ito.
Full electric din?
Oh, it's at 50% right now.
So mag-aano siya, mag-charge siguro mamaya.
Saan ito pupunta ka? Kailangan niya mag-charge.
Sa kanyang home. So parang siguro drone ba?
Itatak.
Di ba yung drone? Pagka ano, napunta sa sarili.
Ah. Na-avoid nga talaga yung mga anak ko.
Galing ano? Oh, ay yung isang tren oh. Ibang linya yon. Ibang line yan.
Whoop. Nakakaba na ako dito.
Huwag kang kaba kasi alam niya yung mga dumarating.
Kita niya. Hindi kita din sa ano, oh, sa ano. Ito it shows you what the sensors see.
Galing ano? Kaya kita. Biruin mo dyan.
You're gonna feel the brake again. Tinan mo.
Nakikita niyo yung ano, paparating. Di ba?
Oo.
So ibig sabihin eh hindi siya mababangga.
Hindi, mapapangga pa rin. It doesn't have a human reflex. If it's a human error and then babanggain ito,
Oo.
then that's the ano.
Magkano yung charge? $15 lang, no?
Oo.
Tsaka ang bilis ng ano, ng kanyang ano, pag-iintay.
Kasi nag-iikot ito until someone requests a ride. And then once you request a ride, you'll find the fastest ano car. Fastest route
So hindi ito
and the
tigil.
closest.
So dire-diretso lang ang takbo niya.
Oo, until low battery. Unless, ano, it will, I believe it will go to a certain percentage. Ano, yun natin o.
Ibasag na ano. Nakita niya yung kumari lang si mama eh.
Ayun, change lane, no overtake. Nag-overtake oh.
Excited lang.
Overtake.
Excited din siya. Akala mo hindi ha. Akala ko hindi na natin masasakyan to eh. Akala na.
I'm curious, does it see street signs? Like stop signs?
I think
yung mga
so.
ganun.
I think so.
I heard bad reviews from it though.
May Tesla truck tayo nakakita. Futuristic.
No, it looks like a Roblox truck.
Puro Roblox
Uy.
yan ha.
Yellow light.
Galing ha.
Kita na wala talaga tayo.
Oo, kita yan. Kasi ginanito ko pati. Yan, para mas clear. Tsaka si Jerome kasi hindi masyadong makikita.
Ha? Oh, hindi ako makikita.
Hindi, yung pag ganito kasi, yan nakaganyan ano.
Mhm.
Kami ay makikita kami na parang merong light linya. Pero ikaw, clear ka. Pag nakaganito. Pero pag ginawa kong ganito, ikaw naman ang may hati.
Sa front.
Tapos kami naman ang ano. Pero okay na rin pala kahit ako hindi na.
Kasi ito nga. Ano,
But you're still gonna go to the front. Yun ang ano ko eh. Promise.
Itong mga taga-probinsyang ito, nakakita na.
Bagong salta.
Yes. We are from the province of Alberta.
Hindi tayo rinig.
Masyadong rural.
You know, I can click pull over here.
Oo. So magpa-pullover nga talaga siya. Hindi ko makakarating sa pupunta.
No, 2 minutes.
Kasi sisirain mo na yung kanya.
Ano yung kanyang plan.
Uy! Aba. Yun ang nag-slow down kasi nakita niya yung ano.
Ano niya yun? Kita niya yung tao.
Galing ng program nito eh.
Galing ano? Yan ang mga ginagawa ng mga computer. Ano.
Pagka hindi naman na...
Alam mo yung mga naggagawa niya ng computer software.
Computer engineer.
Niya, no?
Apat
Sense, nase-sense niya eh.
ang problema niya.
Almost there. Don't forget your phone, keys, or bag. For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks. The second opens the door.
Alright.
Hindi pa.
1 minute pa.
And it's gonna find a parking spot.
Ang galing mo. Yes.
Yes.
Ha?
Yun na. On the camera. It's gonna turn right.
Sa corner yung ano yung church.
Go
Hoy.
direct na.
Double red light.
Ah,
It's blinking. Alam mo, even
Alam
though it's
niya.
blinking, hindi na confused.
Alam niya.
kasi may time na ganun.
Nakita niyo
Ayan,
yung red
ito
light?
na.
Hindi pa.
California State.
Ito pa?
Uy.
Finding a spot muna siya.
Finding a spot. Okay.
Takot ako baka...
Ano gagawin natin?
No, just wait.
Pull over. Mag-wait tayo.
Wait. Finding a spot to pull over. Just wait until the car pulls over.
Oo. Pull over.
I mean, we can get off here.
Pwede ba?
Never mind, it's finding a spot to pull over. Just wait.
Mag-wait tayo.
Hinihintay yung red light eh. Yung mga locals hindi nag-shock dito eh. Parang like, oh wow, look at this.
Siyempre.
They're like,
It's ordinary to them.
oh. Oh.
Oh.
Para safe.
Galing. Safe na safe nga naman.
Yun.
You're here.
Vehicle approaching.
Wow.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is it. Yes, it's Jaguar. Thank you.
Alice? Or, you know.
Aalis na siya.
Tayo.
Saan yung church? Ah, yun.